Alright guys, we did some fun stuff. I told you stay tuned for some audio, and audio is what I got for you. We got some bullets. Oh, I missed. Exploding barrels. We also have the shotgun. Heck yes, shotgun. We've got a pistol. Pretty cool. We can even, look, we found a pirate drone. The pirate drone is clearly causing some problems. So we can kill the pirate drone with the destructibles. You can also kill yourself with them. And, courtesy of Zengris, we got a door sound. Though it would be super dope if Zengris also made a closed door sound. But that's super cool. Thank you for the sound effects, Zengris. You're awesome. But yeah, some audio stuff. We'll get some more put in soon. Some screen shake action going on. It's pretty cool. It's starting to feel better, right? In quotes, guys. Feel. All right. Have a good one.